morning, guys! Good morning! The gypsy couple is back on the road. So yan guys, hindi namin in-expect yung weather na to. Look at that! It looks like the snow just started to fall. So it's kind of soft and fresh pa? Fresh! So it's not, I hope it's not really, dangerous on the road. Pero tinignan namin yung weather before we plan to travel. But it's supposed to be not snowy like this. So ayan, my poor babe will be driving for 12 hours today. Are you ready, babe? You have no choice to be ready. Because I'm not driving. Magta-travel kami for 12 hours, right? 12 hours, guys. Akala ko I don't need to bring my boots, my coat. I was wrong. Because when we get up, we actually get up so late na. 7. Kasi yung alarm niya hindi tumunog. Because usually pag weekend, my privilege ka na mag-stay longer sa bed. My privilege! We can only be on the road only in weekend. So we have to stay in Kentucky. See how the fried chicken looks like there. If there's any difference. Because that's where the KFC originated, right? God bless our travel right now, because I was actually worried, and I keep on asking my baby, is it safe? We've got our coffee right here. So ito yung binili namin from Target na this kind of tumbler has the capability to keep the coffee hot for 7 hours. The beauty of the winter. There's always beauty in everything. Na-enjoy ko talaga yung pag-stay sa guys, sa New York. Kahit hindi ako mahilig, I mean both of us, we don't like, yung grabe ka lamig. Pero once you are already in the situation that you don't like, all you have to do is to deal with it. Change your mindset that this is gonna be the situation temporarily, so it's not the end of the world. I mean, this is the longest vacation that we had so far with my mom-in-law. We're gonna miss them. And Floyd is the cat. He's always the company. Every day. But at least, I'm happy na hindi masyado talagang snowy. Oh, thank you. I wanna show you guys. Ginawa na ako ng mother-in-law ko ng cat with my favorite color. Oh, look at that! Pinutulan ko yung bangs ko, guys. Ayaw talaga ni babe. He doesn't like my bangs. Why you don't like my bangs, babe? It's not good. Sakit. Ang sakit. It's not good. No, it's like, to give a little bit of change. When you are bored of what you see, you want something like updated, not changing, but See ya on the road.
Two.
We're here in Ohio. Oh, glad to see the sun right here.
3 years.
Calculation.
So yung ginagawa namin guys pag nag-travel, like road trip, like a long trip, is listening to the podcast with my babe. And the podcast is all about investing. And trading. Trading is life. Mag-filled up lang kami ng gas. And then we're going to grab something to eat. Yeah, that's it. Yung bag ko, yung maleta ko, isa lang yung maleta ko na dinala ko. Nung nagpacking na ako, hindi na kinailangan ako magamit ng dalawang bag, but what I did, iniwan ko na lang yung mga ibang gamit ko doon. And then, yung mga, mostly kasi yung pag-Christmas. We're planning to go back sa New York summer. Tapos, sayang naman yung time na pupunta ka ng mga, restaurant, magstay ka for a while. Dito na lang sa, car namin kakainin while nag-drive si babe. So, usually yung ginagawa ko is finifeed ko siya. Ganyan. We've got some orange right here. By the way, mayroon akong guys, pakita. Ito ay biko. It's a rice. Sticky rice. Galing to sa sa neighbor ko na Filipina, si Weng. Hi, Weng! We're here in Ohio. And then, back to the world na wala na namang na walang maraming kababayan. So, ayan yung Ohio. We are in the gasoline station. So, ayan siya. Just like anywhere else. Pero siya? Para tong na area. Suburb. Yeah. Very residential. Sinong taga-Ohio dyan? Good thing na hindi na wala na yung polar vortex. Yan yung iniiwasan namin actually. Kaya napatagal kami pag-uwi. Kasi yung time na plan namin umuwi, may polar vortex in the Midwest, which is nagme-melt na yung mga snow dito. That's good. Maganda kasi mag-road trip dito guys kasi yung everything is connected. Every state you can go to the other state because it's just easy, to travel by land. If you have more time. We definitely have time during weekend. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy there's a sun! It feels so good with the sun. I don't know why, but yeah, it feels so good. I feel alive when there's a sun. Serious. Yes, he's serious, guys. 10 hours of driving. Finally, we are here in Kentucky. We are driving right now, guys, towards better weather. Like that. There you go. Yeah, we're going to stay here for a week. Alright? So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye. Goodbye, babe.
Bye.